Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about all these sensors and emissions and all that stuff on these vehicles these days. They just cost, the vehicles these days, brand new, they just cost so much money because of all this electronic stuff, and you don't know if you're gonna have problems with it, and if you it's just, I don't know. I suppose it's, all these things are nice, but they're not all at the same time. You got powered windows and when they break or something, it sure costs a lot more money. This thing, it's gone now. Had a check engine light on. I ran it through the computer and all that stuff, and I'd fix it, and had to put a new brain box in here. And the list can go on and on and on about sensors. The sensors I had to put on different vehicles, and just all kinds of sensors. I had a transmission that stopped working in my Dodge Ram 3500 Cummins engine 4x4, and it was a sensor. It made my transmission stop working because of a sensor. Obviously I was really happy, put that in there and it worked, and I didn't need a new transmission. But this thing here, another example, the Cadillac converter on this thing, it's a little bit built up with some junk, and it could have been a sensor or it could have been the Cadillac converter. That's what the computer said. And obviously he tried the sensor first. And the check engine light was still on, and there's also a little tiny manifold leak on here also. Obviously it's not bad, you can't even hear it, but I've been driving it like that for 9 months, maybe even a year, because it's just not bad enough to do anything with it. Well, emissions times came, and I was going to have to replace all that because the check engine light was on. It was going to cost between $700 and $900. Well, that's just insane. I've been driving around just fine, gas mileage just fine, it's been running just fine, all that stuff. And luckily, I don't know, the new sensor in there, the check engine light was on, and I was driving it, and the check engine light turned off, and it's like, ooh, good deal. So I ran to emissions real quick, and it passed. So that's nice. Don't have to stick that money in here right now. Eventually I will, but not right now. Could probably go another year before I have to replace that. So just tell me your thoughts on all this sensor stuff and what you think about it all. Okay, thanks guys. Till next time.